trainer today for our lesson. Today I will teach you about the advanced skill in logo design. Do you know what is the 6 step of logo design process?
No, I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah,
no.
don't
Even
know.
one?
Pardon?
Even one step you don't know?
Only no research.
Okay. Okay. Okay, I will show you about the 6 step of logo design process. Okay, this is the 6 step. Okay, before that, I want you to list down the important things about the step. Every designer has his or her own process, and it is rarely linear, but in general, this is how the branding process is complete, which can be used as a guide to establish your own. Okay, the first step of design logo is design brief. What is design brief? Design brief is conduct a questionnaire or interview with the client to get the design brief. Nearly all designers agree that the initial accumulation of information from the client is the most important step, either by a face-to-face interview or a questionnaire. This is where you must establish the design brief. Designer John Holmes says, you really need to understand your client very thoroughly because you get started. Logo design is never just shooting in the dark, it's just the opposite. Okay, the second step is research. After mounting the design brief, getting to know your client's business is the next crucial step in making a logo successful. Research includes general reading of the industry itself, sometimes on its history and on its competitors. If budget allows, external research can be carried out. Reference is this is research not into the client business, but into the actual logo style. This is where we seek out a look, a style, and approach or attitude, usually to attain a period or style that we are unfamiliar with, or to go refresh ourselves with what is new or successful. For example, find logo of similar business and critique them. This is where you look for inspiration. Take a note that design Wendy's Sternberger says, I look more for technique and to ask myself why a certain logo looks corporate, or what made a really logo healthcare logo. For example, why do I like this logo and dislike that one? Designers should do to this to gain a better understanding of the industry and competition. Okay, we go to the next step. Step 4 is sketching and conceptualizing. It is develop the logo design concept around the brief and research. Develop the design concept is where creativity comes into play. This is where the designer must create the logo by using the design brief and the research conducted. Some designers use a napkin to sketch, some use a sketchbook, and some use a computer as a paper. This is all a matter of personal choice. However, using a computer first up is not recommended. Okay, when conceptualizing, some designers are mainly concerned with the graphic style and image of a piece, while others try to convey deep meaning or some sort of visual puzzle, such as the arrow of the FedEx. Can you see that? The FedEx logo, where the logo between E and X. Between E and X, there are an arrow, the white arrow. So this type of logo have a big impact on on the viewer, and when a designer creates one, they know it straight away. It will be unique and will add a dimension to our experience and the whole identity. Reflection. Taking break is as important as a physical research and the design brief. It is so easy to start in a creative cul-de-sac. Learn how to be creative and get tired of a project, and this is why logo designer takes break. By resting, your ideas mature and develop in the back of your head. When you go back to your final, you have renewed and enthusiasm, insight and opportunity. This is also a good stage to get feedback from others. Presentation. Choose a present only a select few logos and to a client or a whole collection. Get feedback and repeat until complete. This is where designer must present their work to the client. They can choose whether to show the client a huge variety of logo design concepts if it is hard to catch a client taste, or they could choose to showcase just a few select logo design. This is another debatable issue. I personally present only the best one or two concepts. Okay, that's all for my lesson. Do you understand with the 6 steps of design logo?
Yeah.
Okay, to prove that, after this I will give you a game to prove that you understand the 6 steps of logo. So, let's move. Yeah. Here we go to our game. The game is called the Super Designer. Okay, this is the instruction guide conducted by me. So I will tell you about how to play the game. Okay, firstly, to play this game, each player have given an avatar to present the player to play this game. This is the avatar. And this game called the Super Designer. Every player have to answer all the questions based on the 6 steps of logo design process that I briefed just now. Every player have to answer all 6 questions correctly. There are 6 questions or challenge have to answer it correctly. All players should start with empty space before move to the first step. Before moving, every player have one question to answer one question that has given by me. So if the player who success the question correctly based on the question given, that player can move to the next step. Wait for the question will be given from instructor. If you fail to answer the question, you cannot move forward, and the possibility to win this game is low. Then the player has to wait for the next turn that then can answer the new question. Next, the question is given alternately from the one player to another to make sure that this game is fair. So, the instructor, me, has the power to ask the player moving backward to the player's avatar or stop the player from playing the game if the player suspected cheated during play this game. The player who can answer all the 6 questions correctly, so that the player are the winner of the game. That called as the Super Designer. Yeah. After the winner player being announced, that is the super designer from the instructor. The player will be patched a ribbon trophy as an official winner. For the rest player, still can continue the game until has a new winner of the game. That is if all the player won it up. The game and the instructor will give some advice to try again for the next time and hope memorize the 6 steps of logo design. Okay, that's the instruction guide. So are you ready? Okay, before we start the game, I will let you vote yourself among yourself. Which one first player, second player, and the third player.
Belum.
Okay. Mas Mika is the first player.
Apa ni batu? Tu air belum.
Ain last. Okay, the first player is Mika. Second player is Lee, and the third player is Ain.
Okay.
Okay. Shall we start now?
Okay.
Okay. The first question for Mika. As the previous lesson, list down all the steps of the 6 logo design process correctly, starting from number 6 until number 1.
Number 6, presentation. 5, reference, reflection, sketch, concept, and conceptual.
Yeah. The third.
Reference, research.
Okay. The second.
Reference, and
The first.
first is brief.
Design brief. Okay. Mika can move to the first step. Number 1. Okay, the second player is Cindy. I will ask you.
Okay.
As the previous lesson, list down the step 4 until step 6 of the logo design process. Correct.
Okay, step 4, sketches and conceptualizing. Step 5, reflection. And step 6 is presentation.
Yeah, it's correct. Okay. Okay, the third player, I will ask you.
Yeah.
The last step of the logo design process is presentation. What this means actually?
I think presentation is present your work to client and get feedback from them.
Are you sure?
Of course.
Sure?
Yeah.
Okay. You get correct answer. You can move to the first step. Alright. Okay. So far, every player make a good job. Okay. The next question is for Mika. Okay. This is the sentence listen. You really need to understand your client very thoroughly before you get started. Logo design is never just shooting in the dark. It's just the opposite. Okay, based on the statement that you just heard just now, who had said that?
John Holmes, and he is a designer.
Are you sure? Okay, that's correct. Okay, you can move to the second.
Bravo. Thank you.
Okay, we move to the next question. Okay, as the previous lesson, list down the step 1 until step 3 of the 6 logo design process.
For the step 1, design brief. Step 2, research. And step 3 is a brief reference.
Okay, it's correct.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's correct. Okay, next question for Ain. Listen carefully to this question. This is a sentence about they can choose whether to show the client a huge variety of logo design concepts if it is hard or to gauge a client taste, or they could choose to showcase just a few select logo design. Based on the description, which part of logo design process do you think?
I think research.
Are you sure with your answer?
Sure.
Yeah. But unfortunately, it's incorrect.
It's okay.
The answer is presentation.
Oh. It's okay. It's okay.
Okay, the next question for Mika. What is the next step after getting to know your client's business? Is the next crucial step in making a logo successful that you have learned based on a lesson that you have learned just now in 6 steps of logo design process?
I think reference.
Are you sure? Yeah, it's correct answer. Now you can move to the step.
Wow.
Alright. Okay, listen for this sentence. Nearly all designers agree that the initial accumulation of information from the client is the most important step, either by a face-to-face interview or a questionnaire. Okay, based on this statement that you just heard, which step are that?
Maybe sketches.
Are you sure? Arifin? Okay, nearly all the designers agree that the initial accumulation of information from the client is the most important step, either by a face-to-face interview or a questionnaire. So, which step? Which step is that?
Step 1.
Okay.
I know it's step 1, but I forget what it is.
Okay. Okay, the answer is correct. Design brief. So you can move your avatar to the second. Okay, the next question for Mas Mika. I think this is just a simple question. I think you can answer it. So based on the 6 steps of logo design process, what is the second step process?
Second.
Yeah.
Research.
Are you sure?
Maybe.
Maybe?
Oh, yes, sure.
Yeah, it's correct.
Yeah. Wow.
To the part.
I think always.
Right. Okay. Okay, the next question for you. I think this you can answer this question. Okay. After mounting the design brief, getting to know your client business is the next crucial step in making a logo successful. So, what is the next design process?
Research.
You sure?
Yes, I'm sure. I think so.
Okay, that's correct.
Yeah.
Okay, you can move to the fifth. Right. Okay. Fine. Okay, the question is based on the 6 steps of logo design process. What is the third step process?
Third.
Yeah, the third design process.
Reference.
Reference. Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. Reference.
Yeah, that's correct.
Wow.
So you can go to fifth.
Voila.
So everyone at the 5th step. So the next question is for Mika.
Good luck.
Right. By refer to the process number 4 of logo design process, The statement is your ideas mature and develop in the back of your head. What is the activity can make happen to that? Okay.
Sketching.
No, it's not a step, but
Activity.
what the activity in the step number 4?
What is stage number 4? Step.
That is reflection. So what is the activity that can make happen to that? You cannot answer. You have 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. So your answer? No, you cannot answer. So the answer is resting. By resting, your idea matures. By resting, your ideas mature and develop in the back of your head. The activity is resting. Okay. Yeah. So you cannot move. Your avatar. So sad. The question is, what is the next step after conduct research into logo design that have been successful and current style and trend that are related to the design brief that you have learned just now of 6 steps of logo. What is the next step?
Can you repeat?
Okay. The next step after conduct research into logo design that have been successful and current style and trend that are related to the design brief. Okay. The next step.
Is it sketch and conceptualizing?
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Alright, that's correct. So we got the winner. Yeah. Okay, the winner for the game is Philip. So we just got the winner, and this ribbon award I'm going to give to the winner, and the winner is Siti Zalifah Nadhirah. So congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Alright. Okay. For the others player, are you going to play again or what?
Yes.
Go. You want to take a rest or you want to finish?
Finish.
Okay. It's okay. Okay. I hope you enjoy this game, and I hope you understand the 6 steps of design logo process. Because this is important when you going to industry. So congratulations to our winner, and thank you for all players.